afraid to crash, but you can't let it control you, if that makes sense. Fear is good. Nerves are good. You have to expect that you're going to crash hundreds of times. And that's the basis of how you learn and get better. That's the biggest thing.